Okay, so here's another update on the Poppy's patina. It's been 109 days and 3 hours since I've posted the last video. And the sides of it still look good. Hood looked like crap beforehand, but that's just because of the paint job. But I think it's helping hold the clear coat to the car, because my hood's not messed up yet. But you can see all over the car, this is clear coat. And I've put a roof rack on it to kind of divert your eyes away from what's actually happening. But you can see it is not going so well. So the roof is pretty much almost completely gone. You can kind of see what's, hanging on what's left. And then the trunk now is pretty much a goner. And again, I followed the instructions to a T. And I'm not pleased. Now, if Poppy Patina ever sees this and they want to send me another kit to redo the car, I'd be more than happy to try it again. But am I going to spend my hard-earned money on it again? No. Because if I recall correctly, it was pretty expensive. Don't quote me on this, but it was a couple years ago when I purchased it. I'm just now finally getting around to, to have done it. But it was almost like $300 for the whole kit. It came with the wipe on clear, it came with all the scuff pads, it came with the applicator pad, it came with wax and grease remover and cloths to wipe it down with. So it was the works. And it even came with a sticker, wouldn't you know? And I didn't even put it on the car because I'm kind of embarrassed about it. Now, if the whole car still looked like the side of the car, I'd be thrilled. I mean, minus the spots that I was showing you in the first video where it's all smeary and there's lint stuck in it. But again, from 10 feet away, looks fantastic. But when you walk up on it, you're like, oh, buddy, you paid for that? So take that for what it's worth. I suspect here in the next couple months, we'll probably see the rest of the car go. But anywho, that's the update. I just wanted to throw that out there because a lot of you folks are commenting on the other video, and I'm like, guys, whoa, slow your roll. It's way worse now than it was before. So there's the update. Hope that helps you in your decision on whether or not you should purchase it. Many people are like, the Vice Grip Garage one is also made by Poppy's Patina, and that is also a bummer because I really did want to try that instead. But if it's the same folks, then it's going to be the same junk. So I guess once I get to Alabama, I'm moving to Alabama, so that's fun. I may actually do it the right way and spray it with clear, even though Poppy's Patina is advertising they've got spray on clear coat now in an aerosol can. Do I try it? Maybe we will, but we wasted enough money already. So anywho, thanks for watching.